Hello friends, in this video we are going to configure order email. So what is an order email? Whenever a user shops on your website, they get an acknowledgement email at the time of checkout that these were the items that you shopped for. That is an order email. What we can do is we can customize that order email to our liking if we want to include certain special messages for our customers. So let's see how to do that. So basically, I'd earlier shopped, and as you can see, that one of the order emails that I had gotten was this. And as you can see, it has my brand logo, as well as it has the acknowledgement message, as well as the items in my email and the entire cart details. Let's say we want to change this. All we need to do is go to our dashboard, go to my settings from here, go to my email templates, and from here you can see the order email. Now this is the order email. What we can do is, let's say we want to change the message at the end. We want to say hope you enjoyed shopping on brand name, rather than we want to say hope to see you soon at brand name. Now this is how you actually basically change it. If let's say you want to completely revamp this order email, you can actually put in your own template as well. And at the time of putting in the template, these variables can be gotten from here. So insert variable, and you can insert these variables from here. This has already been used. You can play around with it at the time of creating the order email. But once you've changed this and you've saved this, the next time you're going to actually shop, or a user is going to come in and shop here, they're going to get the customized order email. The other thing is, it is very likely, or sometimes it happens, is that you basically just, by mistake delete something and you've forgotten what you deleted. What you can do is you can always press on reset here. And by pressing on reset, this will reset this order email back to what it was, so that you don't have to worry about messing it up. You can really play around with it the way you want. So that's about it. Thank you.